All right, now we're going to look at tethering. Tethering is an advanced topic, but usually what I do is I teach it very straight off, very forward into the class. Once you learn how to tether a camera and start using software to look at your pictures, you're going to become a very strong photographer. That being said, we don't carry around a laptop with us in the field, but again, if you're treating this like a science project, learning cameras is easy. So tethering becomes an easy way to judge where things are at and how pixels are interacting and how light is interacting with the camera. So this is a USB 2. Okay, this is the micro USB 2, and there's a port on all Nikon cameras. Now this port changes, so if you're using the Nikon D700, you're going to be using not the micro USB 2, you're going to be using the USB 2. So just be wary, if it doesn't naturally fit in the port, do not put it in the port. All right, now that that is on there, what I'm going to do is generally go through the just setup concepts of this. Up pops aperture sometimes, so we close that out. Always have, if you have your camera on a tripod, I have it in auto mode for the focus. I have VR off, and I have it on normal. These are pretty standard settings, and we'll get into those a little bit later, but keep in mind no human eye is perfect, so I always keep it on autofocus. I'll show you how to manipulate focal regions later. Now, if we go to the very top, I'm going to leave it in auto mode for right now and put it on just to get it tethered. Then I'm going to jump into Lightroom. Okay, to get started, we go to File, Tether Capture. I'm going to stop the tether because I had one going. And I'm just going to go Tether Capture, Start Tether Capture. Up pops a box and it just states the session name and where would you like this to be tethered at. In this case, all pictures that I take will be saved onto the desktop in a folder called Tether. I can choose any folder I want. Hit OK. And up pops the Nikon D5100. And when I hit this button, it takes a shot. Okay, just to see that and how it works, there we go. There's some miscellaneous things that I'm taking a picture of. Good stuff. But what's really nice is I can zoom in on things. So I can look around, see the pixels, see the quality of the picture, and you can see on auto, it doesn't look all that good. But now that we have it tethered, I can explain further concepts. So that is tethering a camera. Enjoy.